Hey everyone, we'd like to introduce to you an extraordinary organelle called cilia. Cilia are membrane-bound, hair-like organelles that are attached to the outside of the cell surface. Each cilium is 1 to 10 micrometers long and less than 1 micrometer wide.
The cilium is a long tube, and in this tube there's up to 10 pairs of little microtubes. Then there are microscopic proteins that run up and down the microtubes, transporting molecules and messages.
There's actually two kinds of cilia. The first is motile, which sounds a little bit like mobile, which moves. The second kind is non-motile cilia, aka primary cilia, which, you'll never guess, does not move.
Motile cilia are found in our lungs, respiratory tract, and middle ear. They sway constantly to one direction to clean their surroundings of mucus or dirt, or to move other cells along. Non-motile cilia act like, say, the antenna on your cell phone. Oh wait, cell phones don't have antennas anymore, do they? Oh well. Anyway, they send and receive signals from surrounding cells. They can detect light, fluids, temperature, and gravity. They also do various other jobs, like helping to transfer fluids.
So, what happened to the cilia? Do you want the long story or the short story? Well, we're not med students, so let's go with the short one. A mutated gene, or many mutated genes, causes cilia to function abnormally. When the cilia can't pick up signals or clean mucus, the cell is affected and eventually disease is created. Got it? Good. Defects in cilia are so common that there's a name for the diseases caused by them: ciliopathies. Just to show you how many there are, I'll give you a quick list. Joubert syndrome, nephronophthisis, senior Loken syndrome, orthofaciodigital, Janoon syndrome, autosomal dominant and recessive polycystic kidney disease, Leber congenital amaurosis, Meckel-Gruber syndrome, Bardet-Biedl syndrome, and Usher syndrome. And that's not even all of them. There's over a dozen. They're very serious diseases. Take BBS, for example. It can cause blindness, obesity, mental defects, extra digits, and diabetes.
How are such different symptoms caused by the same disease? It's because the disease is caused by a defect in cilia. See, cilia plays an important role in almost all cells in our bodies. When cilia can't do its job, the cell it belongs to can't function properly.
Let's talk a little bit more about these ciliopathies. The wide variety of ciliopathies means that each one may be diagnosed a bit differently. Sometimes the diagnosis requires a biopsy. Other times, such as in the case of NPHP, doctors may look at the family history, take blood for genetic testing, or do liver function tests.
Now for the treatment. Most ciliopathies, there's no cure, although sometimes there are ways to ease the symptoms. The survival rate is also dependent on the disease. For patients with ARPKD, the prognosis is 70%. Before, say, BBS, the prognosis is much worse.
So, there you have it. Cilia in a nutshell. Haha, get it? Nutshell?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, bye everyone.